Hello friends, today we are going to discuss introduction of a compiler. So today we are going to discuss what is translator, what is compiler and how it will take the instruction and process and how the output is given as a machine code. So what is compiler? In generally what we can say that compiler it is a translator. It takes high level language as a input, process it and gives machine code as a output. Or other in other terms what also we can say that it takes source language as a input. Now here source language is a high level language and produces and produces the machine level language or assembly level language as a target or output. Now programming problems are easier to solve in high level languages. The languages closer the level of the problem domain, for example, Smalltalk, object-oriented programming, JavaScript, web page, etc. Solutions are usually more efficient, faster, smaller when written in machine level language. Languages that reflect the cycle by cycle working of a processors. Compiler are the bridges. We already discussed that it is nothing but it provide or remove the gap between the programming things. Tools to translate program written in high level language and produces efficient executable code, machine understandable code or assembly code. What is compiler? A compiler that reads a program written in one language and translates into another language. So source language is given to the compiler, it will process it, perform particular operation and gives target language as a output. Traditionally compiler go from high level language to the low level language. Now, compilation task is a full of variety. Thousands of source languages, Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Java, and etc. Thousands of target languages are some other lower level language, assembly language, machine level language, machine understandable languages. Compilation process has similar variety, single pass, multi pass, load and go optimizing, same as a assembler. Variety is overwhelming. Good news is that few basic techniques is sufficient to cover all variety of many efficient tools are available for the compilation process. Now, requirement. In order to translate statement in a language, one needs to understand both the structure of a language, the way sentences are constructed in the languages and the meaning of language, what each sentence stand for, the terminology structure and meaning, syntax and semantics. Now, this is the analysis and synthesis model of compilation process. There are two parts of a compiler, analysis and synthesis. So, analysis part is front end and synthesis part is a back end. Analysis breaks the source program into constituents and synthesis constructs the target program for the same. We can understood from the given language source program is given to the compiler and it will give target language, but in compiler front end and back end, front end is language specific, back end is machine specific. So in this way the process wishes to be operated on the compiler. Software tools that perform analysis, structure editor, pretty printer, static checkers and interpreter. We already discussed these things. Okay, now we discussed that compiler it takes high level language as an input, process it and gives meaningful machine level language as a output. So finally what we conclude that compiler is nothing but a translator, or what we can say that it will bridge the gap between the machine code and the high level language code. And finally what we say that compiler it takes high level language as a input, process and gives the target language as a or machine code as a output. Thank you.